Hi, I'm Lily with Lily's Music, doing a quick tutorial for TMEA Region 29 Philharmonic Orchestra Cello Audition Cut Number 5, Farandole. It looks crazy with the rhythms and the B flat and the E flat, but it's not crazy. Once you get the counting down, it makes total sense. So we're going to start with that. It has 2 rests at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, E flat, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. If you look at the measures that have the 16th note, 16th rest, the second measure, and then if you look at that next line, that second measure, it gives you some kind of hooked bowing. So you're going to start with the down bow, up bow, down again, down up bow. Make sure you are going with the hooked bows. So it's going to go. That second one is going the same way, where it's going up, down, up. Hook those bowings. It's going to feel a little bit weird at first. I recommend just doing right hand first. So that way you get your bowing down and then you don't get your left hand confused too. Do your right hand, do your left hand, and then put them together. If you need help, if you have any other questions, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And I wish you all the good luck you can do.